So we have another lightsaber unboxing from Padawan Outpost. I'm very excited. The last lightsaber unboxing that I did was the episode 3 Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber, in memory of my friend who recently passed away. So if you guys would like to check out that video, I'll put a link just in the video around about now for you guys to have a look at. Okay, right, let's get into this unboxing. So I got the episode 2 Anakin Skywalker lightsaber. This is it right here, which is really cool. It also comes with all its standard stuff as well, like the stand, a red blade plug, which is really cool, an Allen key, and some spare bits and bobs as well. I got this particular version of Anakin's lightsaber because I already have the Legacy lightsaber that Rey was the last one to use, so I do have that one. I will be getting Anakin Skywalker's episode 3 lightsaber somewhere along the line, but I also have Darth Vaders from episode 6 Return of the Jedi, and I also have the Darksaber as well. There we go. And this is absolutely beautiful and is incredibly shiny as well. There we go. So this is Anakin's episode 2 Attack of the Clones lightsaber. It's a very nice hilt, very deep socket for the blade, and if you guys saw my review on the Obi-Wan Kenobi lightsaber, you would know that the blade, where the blade's inserted, is quite narrow. So that's just something to keep an eye out on, especially if you're going down the road of thin neck lightsabers. So this is the V3 xenopixel soundboard, and it is also got a CoverTech wheel on it too. I will be installing the Tusken Slayer sound font, which I'm quite excited for. And by the looks of it, I might have to put in... No, I might be alright. No, okay. So I might have to put in a retention screw right there. So I don't think there's one in there. And the blade that it comes with as well is not the standard one. It is slightly smaller, which is absolutely fine because it is a bit of a smaller lightsaber. You can kind of see that it is quite nimble and small. But I am looking forward to turning it on. You would think that the activation switch would be this, but no, it is right here, which is quite handy.
Power on.
Power on.
No battery. Please recharge.
I've got to recharge the battery first. So if I recharge the battery, and I'm going to put the new sound font in it, and I will be right back. And also something that I've noticed while unscrewing the pommel here is that it has a completely removable chassis, which is really helpful. So yeah, that is actually really helpful because then you can get really easy access to the SD card and the battery in the back as well. Okay, so I have installed a new battery that is fully charged, as well as the Tusken Slayer sound font. So let's put the blade in. What I had noticed is as I was putting in the little groove here, it has unfortunately rounded off. I will be able to fix that, but I will do that after the video. So with the rounded off screw, I tried to do it myself. However, it just made it worse and worse to the point where I contacted Padawan Outpost. I also had an issue with my Starkiller saber, part of the crystal chamber came off, so I was able to contact them and they were able to fix it. They put a bigger screw in there as the blade retention screw, which is really helpful, and they were also able to fix up my Starkiller lightsaber as well, so I will just pass on to them as they made a little video for you guys.
Hi Sam, I've got your sabers here. Rob from the repairs team's asked me to send you a video just talking through what's happened to them, what we've done, how they've been fixed. So starting with the Annie, Rob said that it was quite obvious that you'd tried to drill through the screw yourself, and there are a lot of scratches around when we received it. But Rob has successfully drilled through and then re-tapped the hole. So a 2.5mm screw is in there now. You'll need a 2.5mm Allen key to screw the blade in and out. That will give you a lot more stability because it's 0.5mm bigger than the usual screw it comes with. And then the Starkiller, he has locked the crystal into place. Trying to remember the exact words. He's thread locked it into place so it won't become loose again. So we're going to get these sabers sent out to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
It's just unfortunate, really, but oh well, these things can't be helped. Okay, right, let's start it up.
Power on.
So I have installed 3 sound fonts. So we got the Tusken Slayer.
I'm Anakin Skywalker.
Anakin's normal sound font. Which looks really, really nice. Also I like how the LEDs light up here as well. Very, very cool. And of course it's got really nice smooth swing and all the other things that you get with xenopixels. So I am very, very pleased with this lightsaber. Okay guys, so I'm out in my back garden and it's getting quite dark now, which is brilliant, so the lightsaber is going to show up really, really nicely. So let's give it a go.
Power on.
And what's also really cool is that you got the lights that switch on as well on the side, which is really cool. And when you turn off the lightsaber, they also turn off, which I think is a really nice detail. And I find that where you're gripping the lightsaber, because the activation switch is right here, and I find that it doesn't really get in the way, which is really helpful. And if you just want to do like a block or anything like that, you could just press down, which is really helpful. And then you got the stab ignition, if I could get it right. There we go. So I think that is really quite cool. Well guys, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed this review of the episode 2 Anakin Skywalker lightsaber, and may the Force be with you all.